We have listened to your feedback and as a result have enhanced the Zest4 customer portal to allow you to add data alerts based on a megabyte value and to allow an optional data bar to be triggered. This functionality will be released in April 2020. It's important to note that the standard alerting structure is remaining in place. Therefore, default data alerts based on the Zest4 bundle will still be applied, and you're able to combine these with per megabyte alerting to give a flexible and comprehensive alerting structure across your groups and services. You are still able to add alerts to shared or aggregated groups, but you also now have the ability to add individual alerts at a service level based on a megabyte usage. Let's have a look at how to add the new alert type. Go to Admin Tools and Alert Manager. Select to add a new alert. Search for the number you require. And then you will see in the drop-down that there's a new data alert type called data usage. When you select this, you can see in the drop-down here, these are the different types of data usage you can alert on. You can alert on total UK data, UK and EU data, rest of world data, or total data. You can add a separate alert for each data usage type if required. Simply add the first alert and then you can go back into Alert Manager, select data usage and then select to add an alert on the different type as required. For example, you might want to have an alert based on UK data, but then a separate alert based on rest of world data. For this example, we will select to add a total UK and EU data usage alert. This will replicate the standard bundling for O2 data bundles, which include UK and Roam Like at Home usage. The next screen allows you to add the megabyte values you wish to alert on. As with all alerting in the Zest4 customer portal, you are able to add a lower value and an upper value, and now you're also able to add a bar value. Simply overtype the data in the screen with your required values. In this example, we'll alert lower at 1 GB, upper at 2 GB, and we'll bar at 3 GB. Remember that the alert values are in megabytes, and this is to allow a wider range of alert values to be added. The bar limit is optional. If you don't wish to add a bar, simply tick the No Bar Required checkbox. However, in this example, we will add a bar. In line with our current alerting functionality, you're able to select any combination of SMS and email alerts. In this example, we'll select to send an SMS and email alert at each level. In this screen, you can select to send up to 3 SMSs or email addresses if required. Simply type them in, separated by a comma. You can also change the alert name and the description. Remember that the alert name is sent in the alert and the description is just for your own reference within the portal. You can make the description box larger if required by dragging the bottom right-hand corner. And when you're happy with your alert, press confirm to add it to the system. Now you'll be able to see your alert in the service level alert section. As with all other alerts in the system, you can amend or disable your alert. The pencil will amend and the X will disable the alert. Once the bar threshold is reached, the alerts are sent out, a ticket is created and the bar is placed at the network. On O2, the GPRS bar is the only available data bar. This bar will be applied for all per megabyte alert types. This will bar domestic and roaming data. For Vodafone, we will apply the domestic data bar for the UK data alert and will apply the domestic and roaming data bars for any alerts that relate to UK and roaming, including the EU. We have also upgraded the existing data alert functionality to allow an optional bar to be added. Standard alerts will continue to be added at 80% and 100% with no bar. Remember, these alerts are based on the data bundle size you buy from Zest4. If you wish to add a bar, you can amend this as required. Ensure you amend the SMS and email indicators as required, and confirm to add your alert. Note that if you set a bar limit for an existing data bundle alert, we will apply UK and roaming data bars for both O2 and Vodafone. We'll finish today with some important points to remember. Zest4 will not add default per megabyte alerts, and Zest4 will not add default bar limits for data bundle alerts. It's the partner's responsibility to add these alerts and bars as required. The batch alert functionality has been updated for adding and amending these new alert types. Please contact the Zest4 service team if you require assistance. If you choose to add a megabyte alert to a number on a single bundle tariff, for example small-biz 3 gig, the 3 gig bundle will still attract a standard default alert based on 80% and 100% of the 3 gig. Therefore, two alerts will run side by side. You cannot delete the 3 GB alert as this is default in the system. In cases such as these, we recommend that you change the standard alert to be email only and have the email go to internal teams to prevent confusion for the customer, as otherwise they may receive two alerts based on different bundle sizes. You are able to add account level data alerts for aggregated or shared data bundles, and then add per megabyte alerts to the individual services. These two alert types work side by side. Data bars added via the alerting functionality will be available to remove on our self-serve screens and will automatically be removed on the first of the month. Thank you for watching. This information will also be included in an updated alerting guide which will be uploaded to the Zest4 marketing portal in due course. If you have any comments or suggestions regarding alerting or any other Zest4 portal functionality, please do not hesitate to contact us at suggestions@zest4.com.